Dandruff is a common scalp condition that affects people of all ages, genders, and ethnicities. It is characterized by the presence of white or yellow flakes on the scalp, hair, and clothing. Although dandruff is not a serious condition, it can be embarrassing and uncomfortable. In this article, we will explore the various causes of dandruff and provide some effective home remedies to treat it. Causes of dandruff. 1. Malassezia. Dandruff is often caused by an overgrowth of a fungus called Malassezia. This fungus is naturally present on the scalp, but when it grows out of control, it can lead to dandruff. 2. Dry skin. Dry skin is a common cause of dandruff. When the scalp becomes dry, it can become itchy and flaky. 3. Oily skin. Oily skin can also lead to dandruff. When the scalp produces too much oil, it can create a breeding ground for Malassezia. 4. Irritated skin. Skin that is irritated by certain hair products or styling techniques can also lead to dandruff. 5. Stress. Stress can weaken the immune system, making it more difficult for the body to fight off Malassezia. 6. Poor diet. A diet that is high in sugar, fat, and processed foods can lead to an overgrowth of Malassezia. Home remedies to cure dandruff. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to kill Malassezia. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has moisturizing properties that can help to reduce the itching and flaking associated with dandruff. Massage coconut oil into your scalp and leave it on for a few hours before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda can help to exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the itching and flaking associated with dandruff. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 5. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has acidic properties that can help to balance the pH of the scalp and reduce the growth of Malassezia. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and water and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 6. Neem. Neem has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to kill Malassezia. Boil a handful of neem leaves in water and use the water to rinse your hair after shampooing. 7. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds can help to exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells. Soak a handful of fenugreek seeds in water overnight and grind them into a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 8. Garlic. Garlic has antifungal properties that can help to kill Malassezia. Crush a few cloves of garlic and mix it with coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 9. Honey. Honey has antibacterial properties that can help to reduce the growth of Malassezia. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with warm water and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 10. Yogurt. Yogurt has probiotics that can help to balance the natural flora of the scalp and reduce the growth of Malassezia. Apply plain yogurt to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 11. Apple cider vinegar. It helps to balance the pH level of the scalp and prevents dandruff. Mix equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar, apply the solution to your scalp, and leave it for about 30 minutes before rinsing with water. 12. Castor oil. It has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties that help reduce dandruff. Warm up some castor oil and massage it into your scalp before washing your hair. 13. Onion juice. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to reduce dandruff. Apply onion juice to your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing. 14. Salt. It helps to exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells. Mix salt with shampoo and massage it into your scalp before rinsing.